Before we begin the video, it is important to remind everyone to carry a physical key with you at all times, just in case as a safety precaution. We also want to remind everyone to always leave the fingerprint sensor facing down when it's not being used, as rainwater can collect on the fingerprint sensor and it will drain the battery. So just remember to turn the lock facing down after each use. First, you'll need to remove your old cylinder lock. Once that is done, you need to remove the back handle from your smart lock. Using the Allen screw, remove that screw fully. Insert the smart lock into your door. Lock in the cylinder lock using the screw. Next, reattach the back handle. Reattach the screw. The screw should go back into the slots very easily. It should not feel stiff. If you're finding it difficult to screw it back in, that's because you are using the wrong hole. There are two holes on the back handle. They are directly on the other side. So if it is stiff, simply try using the other hole instead. It should be effortless to screw the screw back in.